जॉब स्कॅम प्रकरणातल्या आरोपी पूजा नायकान केल्लो आरोप आणि दावे अर्थहीन सत्यता ना क्रायम ब्रांचीचो एसपी मिडिया मुखार.
Call government officers frequently. She used to meet them frequently. So we did digging into the call records, and we could not find any calls on the call records, and there was no WhatsApp chats also that she was able to present, which could prove her connection with the government officers. So there was no evidence to prove that she was in any way connected to the government officers. We digged out all the bank accounts that Pooja Naik and her family possessed. So we took all the bank accounts of Pooja Naik, her husband Mr. Purushottam Naik, and she has 2 daughters. They also had bank accounts. So we conducted analysis of each and every transactions that has ever occurred in those bank accounts since the opening of bank account.
ते मोगोच्या ऑफिसात काम करतले हाचोय खंय पुरावो ना.
All the officials and staff in the party office, they confirmed that Miss Pooja Naik never worked there. There was no salary record, there was no ID proof, there was no any attendance record. Any oral evidence was not there to support her claim that she worked in MGP office.
पूजाचो फोन खंय ताच्याच घोवान विकिल्लो.
Claimed that there was a mobile phone which is in police custody, and that mobile phone contains the video clippings of her handing over cash to the government officers. So we searched for this phone and we did electronic tracking, and we were able to find this phone in Saharanpur, UP. When we called that person for questioning, his name was Sumit Kumar. We called Sumit Kumar for questioning. He said that the phone was given to him by one Darshan Korgaonkar. Then we called Darshan Korgaonkar for questioning. Darshan Korgaonkar said that he got this phone from Mr. Purushottam Naik, who is husband of Pooja Naik. So it came to know that in August, Mr. Purushottam Naik sold this phone to Darshan, and then Darshan sold it to Sumit Kumar, who took it to UP. So this is how the phone was tracked to UP, and it was not found to be in police custody.
In the middle of this job scam controversy, खंय ना खंय तरी एसपी राहुल गुप्ता तांणी चेंज केलो आनी नवो एसपी हाडलो नॉर्थ गोवा, आनी कांयच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन नासतना आज जर हे एफआयआर क्लोज जाता अशें सरकार म्हणटा आनी पुलीस म्हणटा जाल्यार वी डाउट दॅट, कारण खंय ना खंय तरी कोणाक प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला अशें दिसता.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.